Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the digital initiatives in higher education that are revolutionizing the learning experience for students and educators alike. So, let's dive in. One of the key initiatives in India is the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, known as NET. This mission aims to leverage technology for educational purposes and enhance the quality of teaching and learning in higher education. The Consortium for Educational Communication, CEC, established in 1993, plays a crucial role in developing digital content and educational resources for higher education institutions. They collaborate with various organizations to create engaging and informative content. Another significant initiative is SWAYAM, which stands for Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. SWAYAM offers online courses, including massive open online courses, MOOCs, covering a wide range of subjects for learners at different levels. To cater to out-of-school kids between the ages of 9 to 12, the National Institute of Open Schooling provides educational opportunities through the National Open School Society. For students in grades 9 to 12, the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, offers resources and support. Undergraduates pursuing non-English courses can benefit from the educational resources provided by the Consortium for Educational Communication, CEC, while postgraduates in non-English courses can access resources from the University Grants Commission, UGC. When it comes to specialized fields like engineering and management, esteemed institutions such as IIT Madras and IIM Bangalore offer digital learning programs to provide students with high-quality education. For individuals who have completed their education and are looking for further opportunities, the Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, offers distance education programs to enhance their knowledge and skills. Recognizing the importance of teacher training, the National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, NITTRI, in Chennai provides resources and support for professional development. These digital initiatives offer learning opportunities through four main modes: videos, e-content in PDF or document formats, self-assessment tools, and discussion platforms. This multifaceted approach ensures a comprehensive and interactive learning experience. In 2016, it was announced that SWAYAM courses could contribute credits to academic programs, allowing students to earn up to 20% of their program credits through these online courses. To ensure widespread access to educational content, SWAYAM Prabha was launched. It provides 32 educational DTH channels that broadcast educational programs 24/7 through the GUST 15 satellite from the Bisag Center in Gandhinagar. The content is sourced from prestigious institutions like NTEL, IITs, UGC, SEC, IGNOU, NCERT, and NEOS. The InflibNet Center maintains the National Digital Library, NDL, a comprehensive digital repository of textbooks, articles, videos, audiobooks, lectures, simulations, functions, and other learning media. The NDL collects metadata from renowned Indian and international institutions, making it a valuable resource for students and researchers. To facilitate the digital issuance, storage, access, and verification of academic awards, the National Academic Depository, NAD, was introduced. It offers a digital verifiable certificate and storage system, simplifying the process for both academic institutions and students. The Ishot Sindhu initiative comprises three programs: UGC InfoNet Digital Library, NLIST, and IndesTite. These programs collectively provide access to over 15,000 international journals and e-books, making it easier for researchers and scholars to access valuable resources. Virtual Labs is another digital initiative that allows students to perform online experiments in engineering and science disciplines. With over 205 virtual labs available, students can gain practical knowledge in a simulated environment. eIntra, developed by IIT Bombay, aims to incorporate robotics into engineering education. This initiative provides hands-on applications of mathematics, computer science, and engineering principles, enabling students to develop their problem-solving and innovation skills. To ensure campus connectivity, broadband connections and optical fiber connectivity are provided to universities and institutions. This Digital India initiative enables seamless access to educational resources and encourages collaboration and communication. Two unique initiatives, Talk to a Teacher and Ask a Question, provide opportunities for students to interact with faculty members from esteemed institutions like IIT Bombay. Live content from IIT Bombay classes is shared, allowing students to learn directly from experts in their respective fields. eAcharya, also known as the Integrated E-Content Portal, uses a cloud network called Badal to host all e-content projects developed or funded under NET. This centralized platform facilitates easy access to educational resources for students and educators. Eculpa, on the other hand, provides a digital learning environment for design education. It offers e-learning programs for design and various networking options to promote collaboration and knowledge sharing. In 2015, the website named The Source was launched, offering over 160 courses, resources, case studies, video lectures, and examples of visual galleries. It serves as a valuable platform for students and professionals in various fields. The Free and Open Source Software for Education, FOSSEE, initiated by IIT Bombay, promotes the use of open source software in educational institutions. It provides institutional materials, tutorials, awareness programs, events, and internships to support the adoption of open source software. With One is a comprehensive database of profiles of scientists, researchers, and other experts in specific subjects. This national researchers network facilitates collaboration and knowledge sharing among experts in various domains. The Spoken Tutorial platform offers tutorials on free and open source software in multiple languages. It serves as a valuable resource for individuals interested in learning and utilizing open source software. The central cloud infrastructure, with its 24/7 data center known as Badal, provides a robust and reliable platform for hosting and managing digital resources in various institutions. This infrastructure supports the seamless availability of educational content. The National Institutional Ranking Framework, NIRF, introduced in 2015 by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, ranks Indian universities and institutions based on parameters such as teaching, learning and resources, graduation outcomes, research and professional practices, outreach and inclusivity, and perception. The Global Initiative of Academic Networks, GIAN, aims to establish an international academic network of experts, including industry professionals and entrepreneurs. This initiative fosters motivation, knowledge sharing, and collaborative problem solving among academia and industry. The Uchchatar Avishkar Yojana, UAY, promotes innovation and development in IITs and other premier institutions through collaboration between academia and industry. The goal is to drive innovation that directly impacts the industry and society. Imprint, Impacting Research Innovation and Technology, was launched in 2015 to address challenges and boost original scientific and technological research in 10 domains, including healthcare, computer science and ICT, advanced materials, water resources and river systems, sustainable urban design, defense, nanotechnology, environmental science, climate change, and energy security. This initiative encourages cutting-edge research to tackle real-world problems. The Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, TKEEP, initiated in 2002, aims to improve the quality of technical education at the national and international levels. It focuses on enhancing the infrastructure, curriculum, and faculty development in technical institutions. The Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching, PMMNMTT, focuses on raising the quality of teaching, ensuring a sufficient supply of qualified teachers, and establishing performance standards for the teaching profession. The Rashtriya Uchchata Shiksha Abhiyan, RUSA, is a strategic funding program that aims to bring about reforms and improvements in the higher education sector at the state level. This program supports initiatives to enhance the quality of education and infrastructure in universities and colleges. Shodh Ganga, Shodh Gangotri, and Shodh Sindhu are initiatives that cater to the needs of researchers and students in the field of thesis and dissertations. These platforms provide access to digital libraries, journals, books, and other research materials. These digital initiatives in higher education have transformed the learning landscape, providing students with enhanced access to quality educational resources, promoting collaboration, and fostering innovation and research. The government's Digital India initiative has played a vital role in driving these advancements and paving the way for a more inclusive and technologically advanced education system. And that concludes our video on digital initiatives in higher education. We hope you found this information insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.